Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Sweeger. I'll be your instructor for Theater 225 and 425 Running Crew. This is our first time offering this course in this way. So I've tried really hard to make sure that the information is as clear as possible for what you need to do. Um, if there are changes along the way, I just ask that you're patient with us and I will be as clear as absolutely possible. How do you use this site is a question that some of you may be asking. So if you see the screen, this is what you will see when you first log into Running Crew Fall 2019. The first place you're going to want to go is to the course information. So if you go ahead and click on course information, you're going to see this. Here you'll see the course philosophy, you'll see week 1, and you need to read this syllabus. It does seem long, and it does seem to hold a lot of information, but I think it'll make sense if you just give it a good try and a good focus. We've got here your homework due the first week, Wednesday, September 11th at 8 a.m. Is the syllabus quiz. The syllabus quiz is you're able to take that as many times as possible, so you're able to look at your syllabus, and the really important thing there is that you understand what's going on. Then I ask that you get organized, right? You're going to be going through a lot of things in the first week, a lot of auditions. So go ahead and try and get your schedule together. I really highly recommend that you use Google Calendar. So I've placed a tutorial there for you so you can learn how to use Google Calendar. Start right now. I promise you it'll change your life. Then in week 2, right away, top of the week, Monday, September 16th at 8 a.m. And I know that seems early, but I've got to get started on this. So I have 24 hours from the time you give me your preferences survey at 8 a.m. 24 hours to get contracts to you. And that gives you 72 hours to trade contracts, to do whatever you need to do to drop the class if you just can't do that. And that's fine. No one's going to judge you if you need to drop this class before the add drop date. And then we're going to get together on that last add drop day, which is Friday, September 20th at 2 p.m. Sorry, we're getting together, not at 2 p.m. That's when your contracts are due. We're getting together at our mandatory class meeting, Friday, September 20th at 10:30. That's what used to be called chapel hour, but and it still is chapel hour on Mondays and Wednesdays, but on Fridays that's common time. So we're going to get together for a quick half hour. That way, you feel free to email me between now and then if you have questions, but we're going to get together that day, so there's going to be a group general questions session, and I'm going to collect all your contracts, your signed contracts and contact sheets. And so if you have issues, you've got till 2 o'clock to get that to me before you drop for the course. There's also this handy dandy little checklist. You can actually physically check the boxes. New Sakai is awesome. So as you do things, feel free to check things off. But don't forget about that week 1, Wednesday, September 11th, 8 a.m. syllabus quiz. You'll be hearing from me if you fail to meet that deadline. Okay, great. I hope you all have a great first week, and I'll be seeing you soon.